Talks continued on Thursday to resolve the farm agitation. The protesters, many of whom are from Punjab, are holding a sit-in at the Delhi border. Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar said the government is serious about farmers' concerns, that he expects a positive outcome from the talks. Here's a report. After 3 rounds of extensive talks with farmers on 14th October, 13th November and 1st December, the centre once again actively engaged with the farmers on Thursday. Union Ministers Narendra Singh Tomar and Piyush Goyal met with farmers' delegations for the 4th round of talks aimed at resolving the ongoing protest seeking repeal of the new Farm Acts. Union Minister of State for Commerce Som Prakash, who is a lawmaker from Punjab, also took part in the talks with representatives from 32 unions. The government had asked the farmers to identify specific issues related to the 3 acts for discussion. The government has made it clear that it has no qualms about giving a patient hearing to the demands of the farmers and has agreed to consider the demands of the farmers in a positive and constructive way. After almost 7.5 hours of marathon meeting, it was decided that the next round of the meeting will take place on 5th December.
आज बैठक का चौथा चरण समाप्त हुआ है और परसों दोपहर में 2 बजे दोबारा से यूनियन के साथ सरकार की बातचीत होगी। मुझे लगता है आज बहुत अच्छे वातावरण में चर्चा हुई है और किसानों ने बहुत ठीक से अपने विषयों को रखा है। सरकार के पक्ष को किसान यूनियन ने पूरे संयम के साथ सुना है और उसके बाद जो बिंदु निकले हैं उन बिंदुओं पर हम सब लोगों की लगभग सहमति बनी है कि इन पर सरकार विचार करेगी।
Talking to reporters, Minister Narendra Singh Tomar made it clear that all the demands that were raised by the farmer unions are not outside the purview of the centre's consideration. In effect, Narendra Singh Tomar listed the issues raised by the farmer union and clearly indicated that the centre will adopt a positive approach towards it.
किसान यूनियन और किसानों की चिंता है कि जो नया एक्ट आया है उससे एपीएमसी वो ख़त्म हो जाएगी। भारत सरकार इस बात पर विचार करेगी कि एपीएमसी सशक्त हो और एपीएमसी का उपयोग और बढ़े। यूनियन की चिंता है कि एसडीएम कोर्ट छोटा कोर्ट है और न्यायालय में उन्हें जाने की अनुमति होनी चाहिए। इस बात पर यूनियंस का काफ़ी बल था और इसलिए हम लोगों ने उस विषय को भी अलग से निकाला कि सरकार उस पर विचार करे। कहीं से लेकर कहीं तक कोई भी किसान की जमीन की लिखा पढ़ी नहीं कर सकता है, इस बात का प्रावधान एक्ट में ही है। लेकिन फिर भी लोगों की शंका है तो शंका का निवारण करने के लिए सरकार तैयार है कि एमएसपी चल रही थी, एमएसपी चल रही है, आने वाले कल में भी चलती रहेगी। इसकी आश्वस्ति भी हम किसान भाइयों को दिलाएंगे।
The government has decided to adopt a very cordial approach and is seemingly willing to give a positive and sympathetic approach to the issues and concerns raised by the farmers. The centre has clearly declared its intent to find a solution to the issue and has given an extended hand to the farmers. It has not shied away from deciding to consider any of the demands raised by the farmers. And as Prime Minister Modi said in Varanasi, the intent is as clear as the waters of the holy Ganges. The centre has made it clear already, including the Agriculture Minister, that the APMC and MSP have been there, is there and will remain in place notwithstanding anything. All eyes will be on the farmer unions and the next round of talks. The nation will pray that the issue is resolved and the farmers are satisfied with the proactive and sympathetic approach. News Night Desk, DD India.